Welcome to Smart Service EU, England Faris Abu Salib. This video tutorial I'll show you how to reset your Windows to factory settings without Windows installation media. Please be aware that its new feature exists in Windows 8, 8.1 and 10. Open Start menu, type Settings, click Update and Security. Quick recovery from reset this PC section, click Get Started. There are two options for resetting this PC. The first option removes installed programs and settings but keeps your personal files and documents. The second option, remove everything. I'll use this option also. You'll be prompted with another two options. The first option, resetting your PC quickly. This option is good if you still on this PC. The second option, resetting your PC and clean the drive. It means wipe everything. It's good option if you decide to sell your PC and make it harder for someone to recover your removed files, but this option going to take a few hours. It's up to you. Now let's assume your PC suffers from slowness and you can barely reach these options. There is another way to access this feature. From Start menu, click Power button, press and hold Shift key and click on Restart. He's going to take you to the screen. Select Troubleshoot, select Reset this PC. We are prompted with the same options for resetting your PC. That's all. I hope this video was easy to follow and helpful. Thanks for watching.